Welcome. In front of me I have Huawei MatePad 10.4 and I will show you how you can adjust notification bar icons. So at the first you have to open your notification bar just like that, and we have to tap right here. Right now we can, for example, change position of these icons. For example, let's make the wireless projection on the right side of the Bluetooth icon. So we have to click, hold and then drag it. If you want to add additional icons, for example, you want to get the desktop mode here, click, hold and then drag it. Let's put it on the right side of wireless projection. And if you want to remove icons, maybe we can remove Huawei Share, click, hold and then just drag it like here. If you want to save all of the settings, just click done. And as you can see, everything was saved. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and of course subscribe to our channel.